In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Add to Cart button under Product Cards in Shopify Horizon theme. For this example, I'm currently on one of my collection pages, and if I hover on the product card, at the bottom right corner, there's going to be an Add to Cart button right here. But in case you find that it's missing on your end, most likely it's simply deactivated within the theme settings. So to enable it, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the online store. Now look for a current theme, like is Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the top left corner, click on Theme Settings, it looks like a gear icon. Now scroll a bit down, find the Product Card section, let's expand it. And here's the Add to Cart option, go ahead and enable it. And also let's enable the second option, Mobile Quick Add. Once you're done making these changes, at the top right corner, click on Save. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing one of the collections. And as you can see on the desktop version on the side, the Add to Cart button is now available. Now let's take a look at mobile version. Let me right click, then select Inspect. Let's switch to responsive design mode. Let's select Galaxy S25. And as you can see, the Add to Cart button is now displayed under every single product card. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.